You've probably enjoyed Coca-Cola more times than you can count.
But have you ever stopped to wonder how Coca-Cola is actually made?
Today, we're taking you on a journey inside the factory to discover the processes every bottle goes through before it reaches you.
Discover the magic behind every creation, how it's crafted.
Every second, thousands of bottles are born, but few know how Coca-Cola is truly made.
It all begins with purified water, filtered, refined, and tested to perfection.
Then comes the legendary syrup, blended under strict control, known only to a few. Every ingredient is measured to the millisecond. Consistency is everything.
Thousands of bottles are filled every minute, 53, flawlessly, without pause. Carbon dioxide is added, creating the iconic fizz the world loves. Every bottle is inspected. Only perfection moves forward.
Each bottle is sealed instantly, locking in freshness and taste.
Automated systems package each bottle with speed and precision.
From one factory to the entire world. This is how Coca-Cola is made. Follow How We Crafted for more behind-the-scenes manufacturing stories like this. And tell us in the comments, what should we craft next?